This Sun Realty property video is presented by Hugh Willie. Take a look at this 2-bedroom 2.5 bath condo located in the Landings at Sugar Creek. 2 ensuite bedrooms, private deck with sound views, large utility/laundry room, with protected parking areas assigned/deeded that accommodates 2 vehicles underneath the unit. All one-level living. Furnishings convey with sale. Close to the beach access. Sugar Creek also offers great amenities for their owners and guests: private soundfront covered patio area with expansive water views, 2 building elevators, large soundfront outdoor pool, restrooms and showers, clubhouse and a fitness room, gas grilling stations, designated dog areas, boardwalk to Roanoke Sound with cabana area. Great beach getaway and nothing for you to do but move in. For more